Hey everybody, August 13th, 2023. I'm going to be doing another unboxing from what's turning into one of my favorite companies, Papillon9 or Papillon9. I'm not real sure the exact way to pronounce it. I always call it Papillon9. Manon is the name of the young lady who owns the company up in Canada, and I've gotten a few items from her over the years, and I really like them. I always enjoy glow-in-the-dark items, and she's got some great stuff on her site. So check it out. You'll see there's all kinds of things. But I'm going to do an unboxing and show what I've picked up this time. The last unboxing I did with one of her products was this really cool Phoenix bookmark that glowed in the dark. It glowed in like 3 different colors. So this time I decided to change things up a little bit. This is going to give you a better idea of the company, and again, I apologize that I'm not sure the best way to pronounce it, but there is the card, website, and more information on them. And again, Manon is her name, and she's just super nice, very easy to deal with, very quick with answering any questions you have, so I really like working with them. So let me get everything out of the package first, and again, this is going to be kind of a several item unboxing. We'll start with this. They always include a blacklight keychain because, again, most of their items do glow in the dark. In fact, I think all of their items glow in the dark. So this is your own light to charge things up, to get them to glow. Normally I don't use these because I have my own flashlight that I can use that for. So we're going to start with the first item. This is one of their rings that I picked up. I've been looking for a ring to wear that was more of the black material, kind of that gunmetal gray that's pretty popular right now, pretty trendy. And I saw this one on their site and just really liked it. It is a very good weight, and I'll put a description and a link to the exact item below. But this is actually ceramic. This is made of ceramic, and I apologize if my camera is not going to be able to probably focus in on the inside. Let me see if I hit it with a flashlight, if you can see more details there on the inside of the ring, because I do think it's got some engravings and some markings with their name. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see anything in there. There we go. Bear with me one second. Sorry, I don't have the best technology. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not, but sorry, I'd really like for you to, though, because it's cool how they have the name engraved on the inside. I just do not have the best flashlight for this. But trust me on that. There is a company name, brand name on the inside of the ring. So I'll see if I can find a way to get the camera to pick that up. Maybe you can see it in that angle there, now that I'm further away. Anyway, they just put a lot of detail into their items. You know, where they, again, engrave their name on the inside. And the biggest thing that's impressed me with their company is the strength of their glow-in-the-dark materials. So this is one of the ceramic rings, and then there's a ton of different colors you can go with of what color it's going to glow. I went with the white. So I'm just going to put it back in the box for now, and then at the very end of this video, I'm going to charge these items up with black light, and I'll show you the glow strength. But this is their ceramic, one of their ceramic rings, one of the ceramic men's rings. Let me put it on my finger here just to show you what it looks like on. Yeah. And again, I apologize. It is super hot where I am, so I'm trying not to make a mess everywhere. But there's the ring on my finger. Fits great, very comfortable, and again, a good weight. So I really like that a lot. I'm going to put it in the box, and then we will take a look at the next item. You know, everything about what they do, their packaging, just their finishing, the attention to detail, again, you know, engraving their names on some of their items or their company name on some of their items. I just really like everything that they do. So this is one of the necklaces I picked up. I was really excited about this when I saw it. Just, again, looking for something to wear that was different and it wasn't too big. And, you know, just something that I could wear casual, also dress up, kind of more of an everyday piece. But really excited about the different glow colors that they had for this. So can't wait to see what it's going to look like once I charge it up. So those are the 2 items. Again, I'll link to them in the description below. But for now, I'm going to get the room good and dark and we are going to charge them up, and I'll show you what I really love the most about their company besides dealing with Pendant and how nice they are. But their glow quality is unbelievable. So let me get this room dark and we'll take a look. Now again, you will have your own black light from them. I'm switching over to mine and I'll just show you. You know, if you're in natural sunlight, which I don't have right now, but sunlight would also work. But the black light that they would supply, I'm sure does a great job. But you can tell when I'm hitting it with mine, it really charges these up. And how great does that look? All right, so I'm going to hit it, and now let's kill the light and look at that glow quality on that. I mean, it's just amazing how bright their materials are and how good of a job they do with multicolors. You can tell on the ring, this was the white glow, but it does glow a little bit more of like a blue color. So I'm hoping the camera's focusing on it, but I really like it. It's not, I was kind of hoping it wasn't going to be white because it looks white in natural light. So I wanted the glow to be different to where you had kind of different looks. But I mean, take a look at that necklace. This was the thing that I just couldn't wait to get this necklace. When I saw it, I had to have it. Take a look at that. And again, that comes in some different colors. I like having the red and the orange and the turquoise. The red does not glow as bright as the others, but it's still, I just like the contrast. I like having that red in there. So let me pull them back together and show. That's the two items glowing without being hit with the light for a few seconds. So you can tell once it's charged up, it's going to glow for a long time. I would not be shocked. That bookmark that I have from them, I can pull it out at any time of the night, whether it's been charged or not, and it's always glowing. But really good strength on these. Again, I'm going to hit them one more time just to show the intensity once they've been first charged, and then we'll cut the lights back on. But if you're looking for items that glow really bright and that are just really well made, again, this all comes out of Canada. So it's a unique company, unique product, not something that you're going to see everywhere. I mean, I really can't recommend them enough. But this is one of their ceramic rings, one of their necklaces. Really happy with it. I'm going to go ahead and get the lights back on here. And again, hopefully it just kind of adds an unboxing to YouTube, because there's really not a ton of stuff out there with this company. I know they're pretty small, so I'm trying to do my best when I get items from them to get them a little more exposure out there on YouTube. But if you're like me and you're into glow-in-the-dark items and you like rings and bookmarks and necklaces and all these different accessories, check out their site. They've got all kinds of cool stuff. So anyway, hope this video helps you out. If there's any other questions that I can answer about any of their items, or specifically on these two items, feel free to ask and I would be happy to do so. Thanks for watching. Take care.